Hello students, good morning. How are you? Today I am going to explain you straight line 7 topic. In this I will explain you a theorem. So what is the theorem is, if L1 and L2 are non-vertical straight lines with slopes M1 and M2 respectively, then angle between them is, first one, tan inverse mod M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2 if M1 into M2 not equal to minus 1, and the angle between them is pi by 2 90 degrees if M1 into M2 is minus 1. Now I'll go to proof part. So what is given here? See, we have given two straight lines L1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and L2 a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These two are two straight lines. Now slope of L1 is minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is minus a1 by b1, and the slope of second line is minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is minus a2 by b2. Now I will go to the condition. L1 is perpendicular to L2. When the two lines are perpendicular, the products of x coefficients plus the products of y coefficients should be 0. This is a condition I explained in my previous classes. We will get here a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. Now divide the whole equation by b1 b2. We will get a1 a2 by b1 b2 plus b1 b2 by b1 b2 equal to 0. 0 by b1 b2, it is 0 only. Now we will get here a1 by b1 into a2 by b2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now multiply product minus symbol to the two fractions. We will get minus a1 by b1 into minus a2 by b2 plus 1 equal to 0. Minus into minus is plus only. Now what is minus a1 by b1? m1. Minus a2 by b2 is m2. We will get m1 into m2 is plus 1 equal to 0. Now transpose this plus 1 to LHS, we will get, RHS will get m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. What is this? If the two lines are perpendicular, the product of two slopes is equal to minus 1. Or we can say, if the product of two slopes is minus 1, then the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Now I will go to the second case. Now second case is, let L1 and L2 are non-perpendicular lines. So what is L1? L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now I have taken the two lines are non-perpendicular lines. Then if theta is angle between the two lines, angle between L1 and L2, then the angle between two lines theta is cos inverse. Yesterday I explained this theorem. Yesterday means the last class. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. So this is angle between two lines if the two lines are non-perpendicular. Then what I will transpose this cos inverse to LHS. I will get cos theta is equal to mod of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. Now I will divide the first the numerator by b1 b2. Then I will get a1 a2 by b1 b2 in plus b1 b2 by b1 b2. On the whole, I will turn the whole equation in terms of a1 by b1, a2 by b2. For that I am removing this term. Now the denominator will become a1 square by b1 square plus b1 square by b1 square into a2 square by b2 square plus b2 square by b2 square. Now we will get here this as a1 by b1 into a2 by b2 plus b1 b2 by b1 b2 becomes 1 by this is a1 by b1 a1 square by b1 square plus b1 square by b1 square means 1 into this is a2 square by b2 square plus 1 under root. The denominator is under root, under mod. Now we can write this as minus a1 by b1 into minus a2 by b2 plus 1. Means what here? I am multiplying the two fractions with minus. Then minus into minus becomes plus. There is no change. By here I can write the denominator a1 minus a1 by b1 whole square plus 1 into here minus a2 by b2 whole square plus 1 under root. Now what is minus a1 by b1? m1 minus a2 by b2 m2 plus 1 by this is m1 square plus 1 into m2 square plus 1 under root. Now it is under mod. Now we will get here cos theta is equal to m1 into m2 plus 1 by root of m1 square plus 1 into m2 square plus 1. Now this is a value of cos theta, but what we have to prove? We have to prove theta e is equal to tan inverse of. So what we want, that angle is in terms of tan. So I will go to draw a right angle triangle. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. When the angle is theta here, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse and this is opposite. Adjacent is 1 plus m1 m2. Hypotenuse is root of m1 square plus 1 into m2 square plus 1. This is hypotenuse. Now we want opposite. So what is opposite square? Hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square is root of m1 square plus 1 whole square into m2 square plus 1 whole square. m1 square plus 1 whole square into m2 square plus 1 whole square minus adjacent square. Adjacent is 1 plus m1 m2 whole square. Now we will get here square and root will get cancelled. What we will get? m1 plus 1 whole square, m1 square plus 1 into m2 square plus 1 minus 1 plus m1 m2 whole square. Now open this bracket. m1 square into m2 square, m1 square into m2 square plus m1 square into 1 m1 square plus 1 into m2 square m2 square plus 1 into 1 1 minus a plus b whole square form a square plus b square m1 square into m1 square into m2 square plus 2ab 2 into 1 into m1 m2. Now open bracket, we will get here m1 square m2 square plus m1 square plus m2 square plus 1 with minus open bracket minus 1 minus m1 square m2 square minus 2 m1 m2. Now here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Minus m1 square m2 square plus m1 square m2 square will get cancelled. Now what is left here? The left are m1 square plus m2 square minus 2 m1 m2. It is nothing but m1 minus m2 whole square. So this is opposite square value. So we will get opposite side as root of m1 minus m2 whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. We will get opposite side is m1 minus m2. Now what we want? We want tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is m1 minus m2 by hypotenuse. You observe the figure. In the figure the hypotenuse, tan theta means opposite by adjacent ma, sorry. So m1 minus m2 by adjacent, adjacent is 1 plus m1 m2. We will get the denominator 1 plus m1 m2. Now this is the value of tan theta. Then what is theta? Theta is tan inverse mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So this is what when the two lines are non-vertical, the angle between two lines theta is tan inverse of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Hence it is the theorem. Students, if you like, please like and share my class and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.